The Winter of Endurance. Understanding Valley Forge. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends history with the English language. The phrase, Valley Forge Winter. This phrase not only evokes a pivotal moment in American history but also symbolizes perseverance, hardship, and the strength to overcome difficult times. Whether you're an English language learner or a history enthusiast, understanding this phrase will give you insight into both the language and the spirit of endurance. In the winter of 1777 to 1778, during the American Revolutionary War, the Continental Army, led by General George Washington, encamped at Valley Forge, Pennsylvania. This period is known as the Valley Forge Winter. Despite not facing direct battle, the Army suffered greatly from cold, hunger, and disease. Out of approximately 12,000 soldiers, about 2,000 died from these conditions. However, this time was also crucial for training and unification under the guidance of Baron von Steuben, a Prussian military officer. The phrase, Valley Forge Winter, goes beyond its literal historical reference. It symbolizes extreme hardship and the resilience needed to overcome it. It's often used metaphorically to describe any situation where people are tested to their limits but emerge stronger. This makes it a powerful expression in the English language for conveying the idea of enduring and overcoming adversity. Understanding the historical context and symbolic meaning of Valley Forge Winter can enrich your English communication, especially when discussing topics related to struggle, perseverance, and transformation. For example, completing this project felt like our own Valley Forge winter, but we made it through stronger than before. This usage shows not just knowledge of English vocabulary, but also an ability to connect with deeper cultural and historical narratives. We hope this exploration of the phrase, Valley Forge Winter, has been enlightening. It's a testament to how language and history intertwine, teaching us not only about the past but also about the enduring human spirit. Whether in studying English or understanding human resilience, the story of Valley Forge offers rich lessons. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember, through perseverance and unity, we can overcome even the toughest winters.